Holi, Vasant Mahotsav, the festival of spring, colors, love, and affection. It is celebrated as a victory of good over evil. At this time, nature also celebrates Holi in its own way. Further, it is the most beloved festival of youth and Bollywood. Traditionally, the Holi Utsav is celebrated for 2 days starting on the Purnima of Hindu lunar calendar in the month of Falgun, which is somewhere between the end of February and the middle of March. The first day is known as Holika Dahan, Choti Holi, and the second as Badi Holi or Rangavali. In Maharashtra, we call it as Dhulwar. Holi gets us close to our religion and our mythology as it is essentially the celebration of various legends associated with the festival. Foremost is the legend of Prahlad and Hiranyakashipu. The legend says that there once lived a devil and powerful king Hiranyakashipu who considered himself as a god and wanted everybody to worship him. To his great ire, his son Prahlad began to worship Lord Vishnu. To get rid of his son, Hiranyakashipu asked his sister Holika to enter a blazing fire with Prahlad in her lap, as she had a boon to enter fire unscathed. Legend has that Prahlad was saved for his extreme devotion for the Lord Vishnu, while Holika paid a price for her sinister desire. The tradition of burning Holika or the Holika Dahan comes mainly from this legend. The second story is associated with the immortal love of Radha and Krishna. It was Krishna, the king of Dwarka, who popularized the tradition of colorful Holi. According to the tales, in his youth, Krishna was sad about his dark complexion. He also doubted whether Radha or other gopis would like him because of his dark complexion. His mother, tired of his desperation, then asked him to color Radha's face in any color he wanted, and Krishna did this. The playful coloring of face of Radha has henceforth been celebrated as Holi. The holy play of Krishna and Radha with gopis is well documented in hundreds of ancient paintings, murals, and scriptures.
Besides all these legends, Holi celebration has a biological significance also. The period when we celebrate Holi is a transition period and the weather changes from cold to hot, which increases bacteria in surroundings and in our body also. When Holika is burned, the temperature rises till 145 degrees Celsius, killing bacteria in surroundings and from our body also. Further, biologists believe that colored dye penetrates our body, enters into the pores, which strengthens the ions from our body, adding health and beauty to it. For children, these colors should be natural colors extracted from flowers and vegetables, because artificial colors damages our eyes, skin and hair. Further, it pollutes our environment also. In the market you will get so-called natural colors, but believe me, these colors are made from food colors containing chemicals, which is again harmful to us. So it's better idea to make our own colors with the extract of vegetables and flowers. So children, today we are going to make organic colors from the vegetable extract. So first of all, green color. For that you need fresh spinach leaves. Okay, so chop these spinach leaves finely like this. Okay, make sure before you take these leaves, the leaves color should be very fresh. Now with the help of mixie, grind them into fine paste. If you want to add some water, you can add water to it to get nice fine paste. Sieve it. After sieving this, you can get the nice green color extract of spinach leaves. You can add water to dilute it. Further, add some rose water for fragrance and soothing effect. Your lush green color is ready for playing Holi. Let us make pink color from beetroot extract. So for that you require a whole beetroot. Wash that beetroot with water and just grate it nicely like this. Now this grated beetroot, again make a fine paste of this using mixie. Add some water to it. And make a fine paste of this. Sieve this extract and you will get nice pink color. If you want, you can dilute this color with water. The color which we are going to make is yellow color, and you can make that color with haldi. So take a haldi powder in glass of water. If you want to make this in large quantity, you can take this in large container. So I'm adding little water to it. You will get nice yellow color with this, and again it has a medicinal properties also. It is very good for your skin. If you want to make red color, you can use the same turmeric color. To this turmeric water you can add little lime water, and if you don't have lime water, you can use a pinch of baking soda and add little water to it, and this water you can add to this turmeric water and you will get nice red color with this. So with the vegetables extract you will get green color, pink color, yellow and red color.
But now you can make variety of colors this way. If you know marigold flowers, they come into different shades. Get some lemon color marigold flowers, get the extract of those for lemon yellow color. Again, if you want orange color dye, you can get the extract of orange color marigold flowers for this. If you know palash flowers our ancient used to get red color from these flowers. So these flowers are nowadays, I don't know, they are very rare, but yes, if you get, you can get nice red color with these palash flowers.
The other thing is Chinese cabbage, which is somewhere violet in colors. Get the extract of this Chinese cabbage and you will get violet color from this cabbage. Add a pinch of baking soda to this cabbage extract and you will get blue color from this. You can get from indigo also, indigo powder, you can get blue color.
Children, I'm sure after watching this video you are going to make your own organic colors. But when you play Holi, you don't know which colors your friends are going to splash on you. So it is always better to take the precaution before you stepping out for Holi. Okay, so the first thing before you step out for Holi playing, apply coconut oil on your scalp and on your hair. Further, you can apply the same coconut oil on your face, on your neck and on your exposed part of the skin so that the splashed color will not directly stick to your skin. Further, after playing Holi also, you can use the same coconut oil to remove the color easily. You can, if you don't want to use coconut oil, you can use cleansing milk also to get rid of this splashed color. Further, after removing the color, take a nice bath and again apply nice moisturizer on your skin. So this way you can protect your skin and hair from the artificial or synthetic colors. So children, today we learned to make organic colors for Holi, and I hope you will enjoy this year's Holi with this organic colors.
The children take the name of any color and that color is available in nature. Children, as a human being, we are committed to preserve this beautiful Mother Earth, which is the habitat of thousands of species. So let us play Holi in a non-violent and non-toxic way with true natural colors. Wishing you a happy Holi.